What's up, guys? Good morning. It is Sunday, March 20th. What's up, guys? It's a new year, it's a new season, it's a new team. Heading to LaGuardia on my way to Virginia International Raceway. We have a test day, so heading out to just get my feet wet with the new cars. I'll be with a new team. We're running a whole bunch of Honda Civics, a couple of SIs, a couple of Type Rs.
Next stop, Station B.
We have made it to Raleigh. Now, I haven't told you guys what team I'm gonna be working for this year, but you're about to find out because they left me a car. It's between B3 and B4. I wonder where the car is. There's B4, there's B3. Should be like right around here somewhere. I think it's red, a red car. Should be right over here somewhere. So the secret's out. Skip Barber Racing School has a racing team, leaving me with a Supra to get to the track. Yeah, this'll do, I think. Well, guys, I'm back at Raleigh Airport and we are back in New York. I kind of regret not filming as much, but I really wanted to spend more time getting to know the new cars, teammates, my new crew guys, my drivers, things like that. So I didn't really film a lot. Hopefully we'll be back up and running again for Sonoma, which is about 3 or 4 weeks away, I think, at this point. So make sure you hit the subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next Taco Tuesday.